got the purple train, $50 bet. I think that's 100. I don't know if we get that or not. We got the purple train. Alright, let's get something good. 20. Oh, okay. It's 150. Oh, this feature. Alright, let's get the legend bonus. Oh, okay, so that's 100. That's 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh. Come on, big numbers. That's $80 more. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. So another 100. Okay, okay. 6. Okay. Oh, okay. So we're at like 900, 990. 1100. Come on. Alright, 1200, 13, 1432 $. It's pretty good, pretty awesome. Well, it's I guess they haven't updated the machines. 1400.